Okay, hello again. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you this scanning electron microscope. It's JSM5600. Actually, I only got half of it, just the column and the sample chamber and the detectors. No console, no vacuum system. Welding this and put it together and got a vacuum system running up. Okay, here is the ion gauge. Here is the statement. They say the sample stage being taken off. So here I put an acrylic window, so in this way we can see what's going on here. Inside the sample chamber we put a phosphor disk. When the electron beam hit the phosphor turns the electron to a photon, which is the blue dot. Okay. Here is the secondary electron detector, Faraday cage. Here is the backscattered electron detector being pulled out. Okay, here is the gun wire, the coils and the lens. Okay, actually it's the lens. Okay, I'm being already take it apart and finding out which one is which coil. So this is the focus, this is the focus, and this is the gun alignment coil, this is the scanning coil. Okay, back here you can see the ion gauge. Okay, nothing there. Here is the secondary electron detector. Here is the high voltage connection to the scintillator. Down here I got the turbomolecular pump running now. Edwards. Okay. Here is the two-stage roughing pump. Pfeiffer. This Pfeiffer. Okay. Here is the power supply for the turbomolecular pump. Here is the high voltage power supply that I've been showing you in last videos, the self-made electron gun. Okay, here is the high voltage, here is the high voltage control. Okay, here is the gun, here is the gun. Oh no, I'm sorry. Here is the filament voltage control. Here is the filament current monitor. Here is the gun BIOS. Okay, BIOS. We can turn on the current. Okay, down. Okay, it's pretty much the things. Okay, no. Here is the aperture. Now I'm pull it out. I'm already pull it out because this structure I'm being take apart and I can't alignment it enough. I can alignment it in very rough condition. So when we got this sensors or the detectors working, we got an image out of this microscope. Then we can alignment it in well condition. So rotate this in X and Y, so can alignment it. Okay, here is this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.